Hello friends, welcome to my channel with me Vandita. In this video, I'm going to show you this granny square with cherry chicks. I made this pattern with 4 ply wool and this is made of 2 ply wool with 2 colors. I spent a lot of time to make this cherry chicks in a granny square. For this granny square, I'm using 2 ply wool and with this I'm using 2.5 mm crochet. So let's start. We will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. Okay, we will start to make a foundation chain. Make 4 chains. After that, join it with very first chain with a slip stitch, or you can say a slip chain. Make 3 chains here, 1 2 3, and make 2 double crochet in this space. These 3 chains will count in 1 double crochet. After 3 double crochet, make 2 chains and make 3 double crochet again in the same space. And 3. 2 chains and again 3 double crochet and 2 chains. You will do 4 rounds. 4 times 3 double crochet and 4 times 2 chains. If you are facing problem to make double crochet, then you can make 5 chains in. After 2 chains, make 1 2 3. Make a slip stitch in 3rd chain where from I started. Now we have 4 times 3 double crochet and 4 times 2 chains. Okay, now chain 3 and make 1 double crochet in the next chain. This will also count in double crochets, and 1 double crochet in the next chain. Now we have 3 double crochet on the 3 double crochet. Now in first chain of corner, we will make 2 double crochet in the same chain and 2. Now 2 chains, and in the second chain of the corner, we will make again 2 double crochet in the same chain, 1 and 2. Now make 3 double crochet, continue, 1 2 and 3. Again in next chain, we'll make 2 double crochet in the same chain, chain 2. In next chain, make 2 double crochet in the same chain. Again make 3 double crochet, continue, 1 2 and 3. In next chain, I'm making 2 double crochet in the same chain. Make 2 chains for the corner. In next chain, make 2 double crochet in the same chain and 3 double crochet on 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. 2 double crochet in the next chain, 2 chains for the corner. In next chain, make 2 double crochet Basically I am making 7 double crochet in one side of square. In first round we had 3 double crochet, and in second round we should have 7 double crochet in one side. Now they have also become 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3. In third chain we will join with a slip stitch like this. In third round make 4 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4 slip stitch, make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 2 double crochet in the next chain, or you can say the first chain of the corner. Make 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain, 1 and 2. After that make 3 double crochet, continue, 1, 2 and 3. After 5 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 double crochet and make 3 double crochet, continue, 1, 2 and 3. 2 double crochet in the next chain, 1 and 2. And now we have in third round 5 double crochet, 1 chain and 5 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in next chain, or you can say in second chain of the corner, and make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 chain, skip 1 chain, in next chain make 1 double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet in the next chain, 1 and 2. So in the same chain make 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain, 1 and 2. Again we will repeat the same. Okay, in last side, or I can say in first side where from I started this round, after 5 double crochet make 1 chain, skip 1 chain and make 2 double crochet, because we have 3 double crochet already in this side, so we need only 2 double crochet to complete this round. In third chain we will join this with a slip stitch like this, and here we are completed our third round. Okay, now make 1 slip stitch and second slip stitch. After 2 slip stitch make 3 chains and make 2 double crochet in the corner or in the next chain. Make 2 chains for the corner, 2 double crochet in the next chain, and make 3 double crochet, continue. Two and 3. Now we have 2 double crochet before chain, so make 3 chains here and make single crochet in this space like this. Again make 3 chains, skip 2 chains. In third chain make 1 double crochet and 2 more double crochet on 2 double crochets, and in corner make 2 double crochet in the first chain and will complete 2 chains, and again 2 double crochet in the next chain. We will repeat the same. We have 2 double crochet, make 3 more double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. We have 2, make 3 chains and make single crochet in this space. Make 3 chains, skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochet, continue. 1, 2 and 3, and make 2 double crochet in the next chain. 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain, and repeat the same sides. In fifth round make only 1 slip stitch and 3 chains, make 2 double crochet for the corner. In the first chain make 2 chains and 2 double crochet in the next chain. Make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Make 3 chains, make single crochet in the next space, make 3 chains, single crochet in the next space, make 3 chains, skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochet, continue. 1, 2 and 3. 2 double crochet in the next chain, 1 and 2, 2 chains. Make 2 double crochet in the next chain, make 3 double crochet, continue. 1, 2 and 3. There are 5 now. Make 3 chains, make 1 single crochet in the next space, make 3 chains, 1 single crochet in the next space, make 3 chains, skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochet, continue. Two double crochet in the next chain, and 2 chains. We will repeat the same in other side also. Okay, last side skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet, and we have 3 double crochet. We need 1 more double crochet here to make 5 double crochet, and in third chain we will join with a slip stitch. Sixth round, we don't need to make a slip stitch more. make 3 chains, 1 double crochet in the next chain and 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain. After 7 double crochet, make 2 more double crochet in this space. Now they are 9. After 9 double crochet, make 3 chains and make 1 single crochet in this space. Make 3 chains and make 2 double crochet in the next space, 1 and 2, and make double crochet in every chain, 7, and make 2 double crochet in the next chain. Now they are now 9 double crochets. Make 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain, make 5 double crochet, continue. They are 7 now, and make 2 more double crochet in the next space. They are 9 now. Make 3 chains, make single crochet in the next space, make 3 chains and make 2 double crochet in this space, 1 and 2. Make 5 double crochet, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They are 7 now, and make 2 double crochet in the next chain. Make 2 chains. They are 9 now. In 6th round we have 9 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 3 chains and 9 double crochet. We will complete the round. In last we will join with a slip stitch. In 7th round, make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain. We have 4 and 2 double crochet in the next chain. Make 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain, and make 9 double crochet, continue. These are 11 now. Make 2 double crochet in the next space. These are 13 now. After 13 double crochet, make 1 chain and make 2 double crochet in the next space, 1 and 2. Make 9 double crochet, continue, and 2 double crochet in the next chain. They are 13 now. Make 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain, like this, and repeat the same round. Make 9 double crochet. After 11 double crochet, make 2 double crochet in the next space, and they are 13 now. After 13 double crochet, make 1 chain and make 2 double crochet in the next space, and make 11 double crochets more, 2 chains, and repeat the same round. Okay, here I have completed my 7th round. I will add white color here. make 3 chains, make 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, or make double crochets in every chain. In corner, in first chain make 2 double crochet, two chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain, and make double crochet in every chain, or double crochet basic line. In the middle of this round, make 1 double crochet in the space and 1 double crochet in the next chain, and we'll continue make double crochets in every chain. In corner, in first chain make 2 double crochet and 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the next chain, and here one side has been completed. Complete our 3 sides also will be same, and this granny square has been completed. Now I will make 4 granny squares for my cushion cover and join with white color. Definitely I will share with you my cushion cover. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and share with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel for more videos and more designs. See you in the next video. Thank you. Keep watching.